Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to show you how I transformed my hair once again and got my curls more defined and looking more like this. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and yeah, please make sure you subscribe and comment and also like. Bye. Alright guys, so what you need first is this Shea moisture leave-in conditioner and some eco styling gel. This combination right here is what will really define your curls. Like, it works so well for me, but you got to make sure your hair is damp first, so it can kind of like lock in the moisture as well. So now I'm literally just adding leave-in conditioner to my hair. I'm making sure I get the back, the front, everywhere, so it is well moisturized. Okay, so now I'm going to show you how I finger coil using gel. So I'm applying the gel to the specific side that I'm going to work on right now, and I'm going to take a bit of hair. You're going to see me section it out with a comb, and this is going to allow me to work on this small section specifically. So what I do is I literally coil it around my finger and then literally let go, and then this forms these tight curls. I'll show you again on the other section. So I take a little bit, coil it, let go, boom. Take a bit, let go, boom. And that's all I do, you guys. That's literally all I do. So I'm going to continue finger coiling my hair. I sped it up because this video would be super long if I did it in real time. It would literally be like an hour because this takes ages. So I was going to talk about why my hair is white and what gets rid of it. So it's white because obviously it's wet and it's got gel and conditioner in, and what I usually do is blow dry it because I'm so impatient to let it air dry, but letting it air dry is quite good as well because obviously it gets rid of, no, not gets rid of, but it stops the heat damage that could happen. So really quickly, I wanted to show the update for the front, and you could just see the difference with the front and the back. Like, you can just see the definition that this method provides. I personally love finger coiling my hair. Even though it takes so long, the results are absolutely amazing. Now that I'm done, I've tried to get every single hair that I could possibly finger coil, and this is the final result. I'm literally just going to blow dry it right now so I can speed up the process for you guys. This is the finished process once it's all dried. I fell in love with it. I just thought it looked absolutely amazing, and it didn't feel like sticky or anything. Like, it felt nice, and I think that was because of the leave-in conditioner, because gel can sometimes dry really hard, but it was perfect. So now what I'm doing is I'm literally combing the roots, just not combing it out, but I'm just combing a little bit of the roots because I wanted my mini little fro to be a little bit bigger. So Okay guys, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned for my next video. Bye.